Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
I waenganui I Ahuriri, me Rotorua, ngā raukura o Rotorua. Ko whakata Māori tēnei e mihi nei. We are underway. Welcome once again to this whakapāhotanga. Good contest. Taken though by Napier boys. With the pill now is Khan Stevenson. Pick and go. Te mahi. Khan Stevenson anō tērā. Anei te piki whara te paumua. Te tua toru. A whasi tau lapa. Clearance made from the Napier boys squad through Zach Foster. Got a force back at the moment. Good chase there with the Rotorua boys high school. What a chase, what a try.
Get up two.
Fussy Tull with a short ball played there to his opposing prop. Tackled nicely, good run by Damien Annandale. Got numbers here. What a way to respond once again. This is Ruben Duplessis. Here comes the rolling ball. The back of the scrum there with Tiariki Rogers. Patariana Kaputa Manoa Pauro. Advantage played though. Numbers on the short. Good defence by Napier. Still playing the advantage though as the referee. King Apo Muano. Tata Tonu. Nei te huka. Kai Tikape. Papiro, Rotorua, little signs of clumsiness. Tap back. Forster. Middle field is Josiah Simons. Khan Stevenson. George Prouty. Here's big George Prouty. Goes one way, goes the other. The big lock forward, the timber tower. Look at the boys. Keeping it in the forwards here, trying to barge their way over. Pick and go. Short. Pick and go. Mean carry. Long ball. And a little tip on. And a nudge. Who's got wheels? There to tidy up is the fullback. And Will love it. Puts it on his left boot. Watch out for this guy. Stopped strongly there with great defence. Ready for a halfback here. Good ball there, holes there. This was a great run earlier on. He's looking to pass it. Oh, what a try from the Rotorua boys. Kamatu ko ngā kai tākaro. E hākina ki nāna. Crash ball. Short side we go. Show and go. Great footwork. And the pass around the back. That was beautiful. Woodamoo with the wheels. Goes all the way. Woodamoo Brayley. Luke Thomas up the back on tidy up duties. Up and under. We go. Could be a card here. The key figure in this team too is Luke Thomas. Te kahurangi kio. Ko whakaike mai nei ki rungi te whira I tīnane. Short ball. Beautiful. This is a guy. This is a joke who set up the other try. He's the man. With the pass on the button. Waka mutu atu. Seta leki. Mafi leo. Annandale once again. Thomas. Tackled strongly. Oh. Obviously there's an overlap somewhere, but these guys want to score as close as they can to the post, so Luke Thomas can slot it over. How many phases? Crash and bash, and here they are. Penalty try. Offside. And that's full time.
Down with this.
You try, but you can't see me.
'Cause I'm down with this.
Whakarongo and you know.